few of you, whosoever is comfortable, if you could share what are your challenges in job search, so that it helps set as context before I start. What I've tried to put together is from my experience and from experience of successful candidates. How do you actually do a structured job search instead of generically just asking people to help you? I think it's as much as a mindset game as much as it requires people strategically looking out and updating their resume, etc. We are not focusing on resume to begin with. How I would like to structure the next 45 minutes, because I want to upload this, and we have a strict 45 minutes for this as per the Zoom guidelines. So what I'll structure is the first 10 to 12 minutes I'll talk about. I think the first 5 minutes, I would love if even two or three of you could just share what are your challenges so that all of us can resonate it with it. And then the next 15 minutes I'll talk through the process of structured job research, the mindset that's needed. After that, I'll break you out into breakout groups, and I think since we are just 20, we'll probably do it openly also. We don't need a breakout group, and where we can ask generic questions and doubts around what I shared, which will also help you understand कि कैसे job search करना है. In terms of language, I would be comfortable both with English and Hindi, but in the interest of the diversity of the group, I'll keep it to English. In case anyone does not understand Hindi, or sorry, English, please do prompt me. I'm very comfortable and fluent in Hindi also, so I will be able to translate the same sentences. Okay. So when we start, I think I'll just introduce myself. I am 15 years into the digital marketing industry. I started with media agencies. I worked for Group M, Google. I started my own company. And for the last 6 years, for the last 1 year, I was with Reliance. I am currently leading digital marketing for Ajio and also parts of other businesses. And I was working with Flipkart and doing the same role in the last 6 years. In addition to that, I'm a passionate career coach. I'm trained by the Shram Foundation, which trains people who have executive presence, understanding how do they groom other people in terms of becoming better leaders, which is where I've learned a lot of frameworks. And personally, also, since I come from an economics background, I've studied a lot of neuropsychology and economics to understand what are the behavioral patterns of people. So in most of my conversations, I'll try and infuse that learning instead of generic gyan. So you will also see that. Enough about me. I want to hear from any two or three volunteers here. Please raise your hands and just if you can put come on video, or just tell me what is your one problem in job search. Anyone? Some of you are so active on WhatsApp. Come on. Yes, Brahmanj. Let's go.
Hi
Come on,
Shivani. Yeah,
guys.
it's mostly were you saying something? Sorry.
Come on, video, guys. See, this is a community where
Acha,
we
okay.
meet almost every weekend, no? So it will be
Yeah,
good.
so hi.
Yes.
I wasn't aware that my camera was off actually. I was looking there.
No worry.
So yeah, it's mostly the generic like LinkedIn post and the bulk posting of like job search on LinkedIn profiles and everything. And it's mostly the HRs who put it, and then if you apply there, they don't respond for a while, or they don't even respond, you don't even get a call back.
Okay.
And the JD is not probably mentioned like what do they exactly want, what have like if it's a fresher role, they won't like necessarily say कि exactly क्या चाहिए. वो एक basic सा एक message होगा कि skills like analytical skills है ना, data driven होना चाहिए और ये सब होता है, but exactly काम क्या करना होगा वो उसमें बताते ही नहीं है. For example, my friend he is in PGD, तो सेम जेडी उसका भी था, एंड ही इज जस्ट मेकिंग एक्सेल शीट्स वहां पे. लाइक उसका अभी कुछ एज सच ऐसे डैशबोर्ड पे काम नहीं हुआ है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ है. सो उसका भी सेम इशू था कि ही वेंट थ्रू लिंक्डइन एंड ऐसे ऐसे होते होते ही डिड नॉट, ही इज इन बेसिकली वो रिपोर्ट्स बना रहा है एंड टेक्निकली वो काम काम नहीं कर रहा लाइक स्ट्रेटेजी या कुछ ऐसे. तो
Mhm.
लाइक इन माय लाइक एक्सपीरियंस इतने टाइम का ऑफ 2-3 मंथ्स और आसपास का, तो आई फेल्ट दैट कि बहुत जेनरिक लिंक्डइन पे पोस्टिंग है एंड टू द पॉइंट नहीं है. सो नाउ आई स्टार्टेड कनेक्टिंग विद पीपल मोस्टली हु आर इन कंपनीज, नॉट एच आर्स और नॉट लाइक जो स्टार्ट आउट कर रहे हैं, जो वो मिड लेवल में है, जो एक्चुअली हायर करते हैं एंड जो टीम मैनेजर्स हैं, जो एक्चुअली अपनी टीम में चाहते हैं लोग. सो आई एम टारगेटिंग देम राइट नाउ. सो माई इशू इज दैट लाइक स्कैमी पोस्टिंग ऑन लिंक्डइन मेनली.
Okay. But okay, we'll discuss about that later. But then again, it's a
हाँ,
function of the world. It's not a function of what you are doing, right? This is a
right,
function
right.
of how the world is operating. I want people to
हाँ,
also, one outcome of this session I'm expecting is that we all shift our job search instead of criticizing the ecosystem. How do we shift control
हम्म.
towards us? I think that is super important. Anyone else? Shreya, do you want to take a stab?
Yeah. So I feel that like whenever I'm applying in product-based companies like Amazon, Google, so I have 8 and almost 9 years of experience now. I feel like when I read the JD, I feel like this is my role. This is what I have been doing, and I'm very confident that if I get this job, I can do this. But my resume doesn't even go through the screening. Probably my CV has some issues. I'm not sure. Probably that is the case because I don't even get the to the first round.
Okay.
So I don't understand how to get into these companies. Probably I need to work with my CV so I can at least go to the screening round to prove that I'm the deserving candidate here. So that is my major concern.
So your concern is getting validated in the screening rather than getting shortlisted because you are getting shortlisted, right?
I mean interview ही नहीं मिल रहा है basically. Uh,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. So where are you like how are you looking out for jobs?
Generally on LinkedIn, I
Everyone,
apply and sure because these guys get like thousands of CVs, so it's quite difficult to stand out. Probably the referrals only work here. But I was applying in for one of the roles in GOC, even there it got rejected. Google से never कभी reply नहीं आता ever. Amazon say I got reply once and I was able to get through the final round. But in the final round, the HR told me that it was a close call, and because they have a loop interview, right? So in the final round, there was something that we can discuss later. It's a very specific example, but mostly like I do not get to the screenings.
okay, we'll talk about it. I think so. Next is Saurajit has raised.
102 Jeevananand.
Saurajit, you had raised your hand.
Yes, ma'am. Just give me a minute. I open the camera.
Who is Yoga? Please mute yourself. Okay.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah. I can hear you. Please continue.
Yeah. The problem that I face that means once HR asked me that, Shortly, please send me your resume. So at that time, I dropped my resume to him or her. So the email template which I followed, I feel ki the way I write the email. So I
Mm-hmm.
think there is some mistake because one of my friends said कि छोड़ो जी तेरा जो email template तू follow करता है that is not up to the mark. वहां
Okay.
पे कुछ कैची वर्ड होना चाहिए कुछ जैसे आई राइट की सर मैडम आफ्टर
Yeah,
दैट
see,
आई राइट की
I think up the
ग्रीटिंग्स ऑफ द डे इस तरह का जो
can
टर्म्स मैं यूज करता हूँ दैट इज नॉट अप टू द मार्क सो दैट्स व्हाई मैक्सिमम टाइम माय सीवी गॉट रिजेक्टेड सो the email template I'm looking actually the I think there is a mistake so
okay.
that's why my CV maximum time got rejected. I'm
Yeah.
looking for a job into performance marketing specialist position or senior performance marketing. I have 3 years of experience into this
Yeah.
field.
See, guys, let's be very
And
focused. I think one thing we all need to know and learn is being very sharp and focused, which I see is not in this group. Like in general, I'm not criticizing, but as somebody who has led massive teams at big companies, I can tell you that being concise is super important. Most of the times, people are not concise. You guys just, go on, and it can really put off people who are interviewing. Okay. So, anyone else? Yeah, Monisha, go ahead.
Hi, Shivani. Hi, everyone. Actually, I was not getting the option to raise my hand. I was looking for the option. I did not get that. That's why I manually raised. All right. So, my name is Monisha, and actually, I'm looking for a job switch. I have almost 13 plus years of experience. The issue which I'm facing right now is, let's say, like I have used so many platforms to search my role, like for the reason why I'm looking for a switch. But what I am observing is, let's say like if I'm applying for 20 or 25 jobs, I am just getting one conversion or maybe one revert from the HR team. Now let's say like if I'm getting this conversion or maybe any reply, the concerned person is not I mean, I personally observed that that concerned person was not completely knowing about this profile, or maybe the vacancy.
You mean
And
the
when I have
HR?
started, questioning he or she, I mean, I'll not use name, but that person directly told me, you will come to know in the next round. So for that one, I would not be able to prepare myself that what is going to happen in the next round. So this was the instance which has happened just once. And second issue is, I have applied multiple number of vacancies, and I have not received any such response from anywhere.
Okay, I'll discuss them more about it. I think I'm hearing most of you very common themes. Yes, Asif, go ahead.
Yeah, hi. So basically, currently, what I'm facing as an issue is salary structure or salary expectations. For example, I applied recently in two jobs. I got the reward, but then they asked for a CTC. I provide the CTC, then I didn't hear from them. Maybe
Hmm.
because the last employer, I was in Dubai, so maybe the Dubai salary structure is not matching here. Could be the reason. But
For
yeah,
sure.
that is something I'm facing right now.
Okay, okay. Yes, Santosh. Yes, Santosh, unmute yourself.
Yeah. Hi, Shivani. So the issue like I'm facing is like we have different set of experience. Someone is having experience on mobile app campaigns. Someone is having experience on lead gen campaigns, and we have different set of experience because of the companies we work, right? And the major challenge is like if I have experience in for example, if I have experience in e-commerce and I see the job descriptions, they want more related to lead gen or something which I did not work for. So how to overcome that? Because like if we are working for the company, we don't get exposure to all the platforms and all the like all the different kind of domains and all,
Got
right?
it.
So how to,
Yeah.
yeah, that is my
So,
question.
okay, okay. So now, in the interest of time, I'll start with because we are at 10:45. I think what I hear from all of you guys is, one is there is no clarity in terms of job description. Second is the coordinators, which is HR or hiring manager. Mohammed, now we are running out of time. Maybe, in the next session we can do this because I'm very cognizant of the time. We are at 10:45 and I also need to take you guys to some frameworks. So what I've decided, I've understood rather not decided, I've understood is one, there is a lack of clarity on the salary expectations versus the salaries on the JDs. Second is hiring managers not getting back on time or hiring managers not understanding. See, this is a technical field, these issues will happen. Now, overall, today's session is focused on how do we focus. One thing is, I think most of you can agree, and I'm not criticizing any individual. I've also done this mistake. Most of us will agree that we are not ruthlessly focusing on what we want in our jobs. We are focusing on कि हमें ये भी मिल जाए वो भी मिल जाए 10 चीजें नहीं मिल सकती. You need to be very cognizant of what you are good at. ठीक है. So I've made this framework. This is a very this is taught in Harvard to multiple people. I'll just present it. Documents, screens. What we're going to focus on, I think if you have a pen and paper, please everyone pick up a pen and paper. Okay, I can't present what is happening. Okay, see, I think maybe I cannot present here. There is some settings issue. Anyhow, I'll just focus on just explaining it to you otherwise only, and I'll send across the documentation later. Okay. So this is called the TAO framework, TAO. Okay, where we focus on what are okay, बेच ले सब्जी ठीक है talent so talent am I audible or is you guys still
Yeah, we can hear.
okay.
Yeah, you're audible.
I just want to remove
Are
my
you audible?
okay Okay. So essentially, what we are focusing on here is take a pen and paper, and there are three things. TAO. T means talent, A means aspiration, and O means opportunities. Now you are going to write, all of you. I want you all of to do this self exercise because it will improve your focus on why I want a job, right? I think we always focus on मुझे X salary का job चाहिए, X company में job चाहिए. I think a lot of freshers think just because media में ऐसे है, आजकल salaries उतनी अच्छी नहीं है. And I would say salaries have corrected. Beach में market was overpaying salaries. Right now market salaries have corrected and they've come to a more rational level. थोड़ा सा parity आ गया क्योंकि पहले क्या था कि 2 साल के बच्चे को भी 20-30 लाख मिल रहा था, अभी ऐसा नहीं है. Market is completely corrected. Salaries are going to be very rational, so you also need to have your expectations. There's a lot of public data on salaries on Glassdoor.com and Ambition Box, which you can check for your particular roles. So let's say अभी मैं क्योंकि स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, मैंने जूम का अकाउंट बहुत रिसेंटली बनाया है. सो लेट्स से लेट मी सी इफ आई कैन मेक अ डॉक हियर, जूम डॉक्स. एनी हाउ, आप सब लोग अपना टैलेंट, एस्पिरेशन और अपॉर्चुनिटीज में ये बनाना शुरू करिए कि मेरा क्या टैलेंट है. ठीक है. सो लेट्स से, कैन यू सी द माय स्क्रीन हियर?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, load हो रहा है.
Okay.
Yes, it's loading,
Okay. So
but still it's white. Yeah, can see now.
Yes, ma'am, अभी शो हो रहा है screen.
हाँ, so talent, aspirations and opportunities. ठीक है. So structured job search का मतलब है, like let's say I am looking for head of growth, right? And I am not going to हवा में नहीं करूंगी कि अच्छा मैं हर जॉब. गलती ये है कि काफी लोगों की कि we all tend to publicly apply to every opportunity. Let's not do that. Let's be super structured around it. So I am taking like, अगर मैं एग्जाम इमेजिन कर रही हूँ कि मेरा टैलेंट है सोशल मीडिया एड्स. आप लोग मतलब एक बार एग्जांपल देख लेते हैं, फिर आई गिव यू 2-3 मिनट्स टू ईच वन ऑफ यू टू डू इट. लेट्स से मेरा टैलेंट है सोशल मीडिया एड्स और मुझे सिर्फ मेटा के एड्स आते हैं, ओनली मेटा एड्स, जिसमें भी मुझे सिर्फ परफॉर्मेंस शॉपिंग एड्स आते हैं, ज्यादा नहीं आता. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू एन एग्जांपल. माय एस्पिरेशन इज टू लीड मेटा एड्स एट अ बिग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन or get a campaign/account manager role at an organization. So which means that या तो मुझे ग्रुप एम या किसी एजेंसी में मिल जाए, इसमें भी let's say my preference is
Shivani, can you repeat please?
Can you see the screen?
Yeah, it's showing right now.
Yeah. So talent means you firstly decide what talent do you actually have. Be honest to yourself. What talent do you actually have? I'm giving an example. Let's say there is a person whose talent is knows social media ads and only performance shopping ads. आपको ये कॉपी नहीं करना है. ये सब कुछ जो मैं आपके साथ कभी भी ग्रुप पे शेयर करूंगी, everything PDF, everything I will upload, or recordings I will be uploaded on my YouTube channel. Do not worry. Please उसके रश में मत रहिए, सुनिए ध्यान से. Second is aspirations, कि मुझे बनना क्या है, what do I want to become. So let's say if I know this, that I have a 1-year experience and I want to become a meta ads lead, let's say at a Flipkart or a Amazon or any such thing. If this is your aspiration, so this is your point A of life and this is your point B where you want to move, right? Now our job search has to enable movement from point A to point B. यहां तक समझ आया सबको? हम जॉब सर्च जब करते हैं ना, तो वी आर जस्ट रैंडमली डेस्परेटली भाग रहे हैं कि हमें ये मिल जाए, बट ऐसा नहीं होगा ना. वी नीड टू मूव फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए टू पॉइंट बी एंड हेंस let's look at what are the opportunities in the market. So opportunities in the market you can check on LinkedIn, naukri.com and sometimes. So अभी LinkedIn की बहुत सारी जो जॉब्स हैं, नौकरी की सब, इट्स घोस्ट पोस्टिंग. ठीक है. एटलीस्ट इन डिजिटल मार्केटिंग वेयर टेक्निकल स्किल्स मैटर अ लॉट, आई वुड से एग्जिबिशन ऑफ टेक्निकल स्किल्स इज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. ठीक है. तो अगर आपने ये थी, मैं भी जब जॉब ढूंढ रही थी शुरू में, तो मुझे भी किसी ने नहीं दिया था. दैट्स हाउ आई स्टार्टेड विद एन एजेंसी एंड दिस इज 2009 व्हेन आई फिजिकली वेंट ऑटो करके प्रिंट आउट लेके रेज्यूमे का. तब ये इतना एडवांस नहीं था दुनिया. प्रिंट आउट लेके मैं जगह जगह गई, तब जाके मैडिसन में somebody, Sameer, who's like my mentor and who was really kind to offer me the job, that happened, right? So these things happen. एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम। आज आपके पास व्हाट्सएप है, नेटवर्किंग है। अब उस समय मेरे पास कोई नेटवर्किंग नहीं थी। आई डिड नॉट कम फ्रॉम अ फैमिली ऑफ रिच पीपल, नथिंग। मेरे पास ये था, मैंने 50 प्रिंट आउट लिए, मैं हर मीडिया एजेंसी के दरवाजे पे गई और मैंने मांगा। ठीक है, सो अभी आपके पास लेकिन बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं, विच इज व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स, लिंक्डइन पे लोगों को कोल्ड रीच करना। उसके भी मैं टेम्पलेट्स आप लोगों को अभी दिखा सकती हूँ कि कैसे लिखना चाहिए। बट मेन फोकस इज डोंट गो फॉर वेरी डिफरेंट जॉब्स। अगर आपको जो आता है उसी से रिलेटेड एस्पिरेशन रखिए, बी वेरी रियलिस्टिक। बिकॉज इफ यू आर अनरियलिस्टिक यू जस्ट कम अक्रॉस एज समबडी हु इज डेस्परेट फॉर अ जॉब। ठीक है, दैट इज नॉट द एनर्जी वी वांट टू गिव। द एनर्जी, एक थी चीज मैंने, आई थिंक बुरा मत मानना कोई भी, वी वांट टू बी जॉब बेगर्स। वी वांट टू बी पीपल हु आर प्रोवाइडिंग वैल्यू। We want to be people who have confidence. See, the difference between people who don't get interviews and interviews is just the right level of confidence. अगर आप ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट है, देर आर पीपल हु वांट 30K का इंटर्नशिप विदाउट नोइंग एनीथिंग, आपको नहीं मिलने वाला। लेट्स बी वेरी रियलिस्टिक। वी इन अ बिलियन बिलियन पॉपुलेशन कंट्री, जहाँ पे डिजिटल मार्केटिंग आजकल का इंजीनियरिंग बन चुका है, हर कोई डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कर रहा है। यू हैव टू हैव स्ट्रॉन्ग डिफरेंशिएटर्स। ठीक है, जिसके लिए आई ऑलवेज एडवाइज हैव, सो व्हेन आई एम सेइंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज, बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं। टू बी ऑनेस्ट, आप लोग कह रहे हो जॉब नहीं मिल रहे हैं, जॉब नहीं मिल रहे, बट एक्चुअली बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं। प्रॉब्लम यह है कि क्वालिटी कैंडिडेट्स नहीं है। कंपनी अगर 4 लाख ना एड्स पे फूक सकती है, बट आप पे नहीं फूकेगी, क्योंकि कंपनी को जब पैसा लगाना है तो दे वांट समबडी हु विल गिव एटलीस्ट 100x का ROAS। 4 लाख आपको लगाएंगे तो कम से कम 400 40 करोड़ का तक का आप रेवेन्यू लाओगे, अगर उनके ROAS इम्प्रूवमेंट से तो ही देंगे, नहीं तो नहीं देंगे। आई बीन हायरिंग मैनेजर एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे हमें थाउजेंड्स, लाइक आई वर्क फॉर अजियो, वी आर नॉट लाइक द dream company. I mean, of course dream company for some people, but it's not like Google or Amazon or Flipkart or let's say Facebook, where 1,500 2,000 people apply in a second for a job application. What we want to focus more on is, what do I do well in my journey today when I'm not desperate for a job, so that right people spot me and वो खुद से approach करें। So इसको push strategy की जगह pull बनाइए, and that will only happen if you have good skills, because this is not a कंटेंट का जॉब नहीं है ये, या कोई ऐसा नहीं। इनफैक्ट आजकल हर चीज में बहुत हाइपर कंपटीशन, एंड विद AI व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी, आवर जॉब्स आर गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी टफ, because most ads don't need extreme manual setups right now, at least for bigger companies, and big salaries only bigger companies can afford, or very very highly funded startups. So till this point I would say focus on ki what is my talent, what is my aspiration, and what are the opportunities for that I can tap into for talent A to talent B. इसके साथ साथ मैं यूजुअली क्या करती हूँ, लेट्स से मुझे हेड ऑफ ग्रोथ राइट नाउ, आई एम एस्पायरिंग टू मूव टू अ ग्लोबल रोल एज अ हेड ऑफ ग्रोथ ऑफ अ multi-billion-dollar organization. So what I will do is I will look at opportunities on LinkedIn, Naukri, Glassdoor, and आप realistically देखोगे उन job description से कि कंपनी एक्चुअली चाहती क्या है। चैट जीपीटी के जमाने में आप ये भी कर सकते हो कि लेट से आपको 5 रोल पसंद आए, आप उनको एक गूगल डॉक्स पे कॉपी पेस्ट करें, चैट जीपीटी पे डालिए कि ये मेरा रेज्यूमे है, ये जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन है, मुझे बताओ मुझे कितनी अपस्किलिंग करनी है। आर यू विद मी एवरीवन? एटलीस्ट शो सम
Yes.
some
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
Shivani.
Yes, yes.
ना?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
हाँ,
Yes, 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 ma'am.
तो माइंडसेट वाइज आई थिंक ये बहुत ही क्रिटिकल है कि हम अपना माइंडसेट बदलें, बिकॉज इफ आर माइंडसेट इज कि हमें मुझे बैठे बैठाए जॉब मिल जाए, तो नहीं मिलेगा। ठीक है, एंड जॉब सर्च इज स्ट्रेसफुल, विच इज वाई आई क्रिएटेड दिस कम्युनिटी। आई टेल यू, व्हेन वी वर हायरिंग आई गॉट लाइक thousands of resumes, and HRs आर overwhelmed, उनके पास बहुत काम होता है, दे विल नेवर हैव द टाइम टू skim through each. So I think you guys also need to be friends with HRs instead of criticizing them, because जिनकी HR से दोस्ती होती है उनको जल्दी jobs मिलते हैं life में. I'll be very honest. Jobs are not just about how good you are at your technical skills. Your relational skills are super important. Because at the end of the day, let's say I'm hiring, और हमारा ना दिन का 80% मतलब ह्यूज परसेंट डिपेंडेंसी काम का, लेट्स से किसी पर्टिकुलर चैनल पे। अब उस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे मुझे रिलायबल पर्सन चाहिए। आई डोंट केयर कि somebody who सुपर स्मार्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ द वे दे टॉक। आई नीड somebody, क्योंकि आज सैटरडे संडे हमारी सेल है, लाइक लिटरली सुबह 6 बजे से मैं लैपटॉप पे बैठी हूँ। आई डोंट वांट somebody जिसको मैं बोलूँ सुबह कि आज कैंपेन फटा है, वो नहीं आ सके, राइट? So our job is not just skills, it is also relational skills, which I will tell you that if you don't have, please start working on them. And we can do like mock practice sessions also. One is when you guys like let's say इस session में ही हमने पूछा कि किसके क्या दिक्कतें हैं, क्या problems हैं, and you guys are talking in such long sentences. You cannot. When you type, so relational skills में one would be when you cold outreach to people on LinkedIn. So you need to be very clear. लोग इतने लंबे लंबे सेंटेंस लिखते हैं. Simple, I am XYZ, ये नहीं. Simple, you need to say context. क्या कॉन्टेक्स्ट है, मैं क्यों आपको मैसेज कर रहा हूँ, एक्शन, व्हाट एम आई एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम यू, और व्हाट कैन आई गिव यू, मोस्टली व्हाट कैन आई गिव यू व्हेन यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब और अ फ्रीलांस और समथिंग, इट शुड बी मोर अबाउट दैट. एंड थर्ड इज व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग. ठीक है, आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो, कॉन्टेक्स्ट. जैसे आपने कहा कि आई थिंक वन ऑफ यू सेड दैट आई हैव 13 years experience. Nobody cares you have 13 years of experience. What's in it for me? Nothing. As a hiring manager, nothing. सॉरी, मतलब दिस इज टफ लव, बट रियलिटी इज किसी को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता आपको कितना एक्सपीरियंस है. हमारी लाइफ में किसी को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला, किसी हायरिंग मैनेजर को नहीं. फर्क ये पड़ेगा इफ यू से दैट आई हैव वर्कड ऑन ई कॉमर्स ब्रांड्स एंड with a short turnaround time I have scaled campaigns, or I am good with work creative visualization, and in addition to performance marketing job I can also conceptualize good creative ads. What is your value add that you need to add in your context. कॉन्टेक्स्ट कैनॉट बी अ डेस्परेशन कि मुझे इस, आई थिंक मैंने एक बार आपके ग्रुप पे भी लिखा है हमारे, जहाँ पे डेस्परेशन की बू आती है, स्टिंक ऑफ डेस्परेशन, पीपल विल नॉट गेट द जॉब बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू लूज योर पावर डायनेमिक्स. पावर डायनेमिक्स क्या है, तीन लोग हैं इस इक्विलिब्रियम में. द जॉब सीकर विच इज यू, देर इज हायरिंग मैनेजर, देर समवन लाइक मी देर, एंड देन देर इज अ HR. ठीक है, HR इज द पर्सन हुज लाइक मॉडरेटर की सैलरी क्या होगी, फलाना ढिमकाना. Desperation is equal on your side and the hiring manager side. Do not forget that. Okay, if you are a good candidate, I'm assuming that you know your domain. And किसी को see, there are so many channels in digital, you will never know all the channels. But if you, let's say, apply for X, mostly D2C के केस में मैं आपको एग्जांपल देती हूँ. D2C is heavily dependent on Meta and Google. ठीक है, उसमें से अगर आपको एक भी चैनल अच्छे से आता है, if you know either of those channels very well, there is huge dependency of the hiring manager to hire you. So do not feel that you are only desperate for a job. They are also somebody like me who have their personal life, who are running these communities, who are doing 10 other things, and they want someone to come up and take their mental load. Okay, so when you message with the context, because everybody is getting like hundreds of messages, you tell me that what is your value add to my life, or to hiring manager's life. I'm not talking of HR, hiring manager's life. And when you cold outreach not to HRs, I would say cold outreach to people who are in the position of influencing hiring, which is a hiring manager. Okay, are you with me here? Does anybody have any point of view? Would love to know.
Yes, yes.
Shivani, Shivam here.
Yes, say, go ahead.
So one such thing is because I have also worked with a couple of brands and now I work for Mahindra Group. So एक मेजर चैलेंज ये आता है कि वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द बिजनेस चैलेंजेस. लाइक हम लोग भी काफी एजेंसीज के साथ काम करते हैं एंड ऑल. पीपल जस्ट कम अप विथ कि हमें कितने सस्ते में लीड मिल जाएगा, कितने में कन्वर्जन मिल जाएगा, बट the focus towards solving the real business challenge with performance marketing वो कहीं ना कहीं बहुत लैग में रहता है. Like the business metrics doesn't marry with the performance metrics, and यहाँ पर somehow or the other people miss a lot.
True.
Yeah.
And also, like, a very good point by Shivam, but just adding one more thing here, with AI and everything, people, all organizations are focusing on automation so that they spend less on employees, right? So here, our jobs will become tougher, to people who do really well will be paid really well. Rest, everybody will be paid very medium salaries, because no more donkeys job is not going to happen anymore, ना कि खुद से आपने CPM adjust कर दिया, ad objectives change कर दिया, all of those things. Now, since we only have 10 minutes left, I will share. I've also prepared like a detailed document on how to do a structured job research, where if you ever feel demotivated, you can go through that. I've put that on my blog. I'll share the link. But I'll stop presenting the doc. I don't know how to, I'm also learning, guys. So I think if anyone else wants to. Yeah, so if we can do with like a little bit of questions, but mostly with the, yes. So mostly like this is how I would say that you reflect on your career, that how do I actually marry the requirement of jobs to what I can do. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Yes, you're audible.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yeah. So I think since we just have 8 to 9 minutes left, you guys can turn all of your videos, and we can do like a quick round of queries, a few queries by people. I think this is just today's session is just to motivate every one of you that we need to do structured job research. I have created like a framework. I'll send the document also. After this, at just immediately after this, I'm doing a session on upskilling. मैंने रात भर बैठ के एक resource list compile किया है for people who want to start with digital marketing or at any stage. How do you actually prepare for each of the parts? And next weekend I'm traveling, but after that weekend, around 3rd to 4th March, we will do a mock interview group session where we will mock interview. So I would float around the form where if you want, you can tell me that मुझे अपना mock interview कराना है, and I will publicly do. So also everyone, this is a very safe space, even while we'll upload and all of it. There's no need to hesitate, and if there is anything that you don't feel comfortable talking publicly, you can always separately reach out. Yes, does anybody have any question? Yes, Brahmansh, go ahead.
My network went off actually. I could not hear about the upskilling session. मतलब what
No, so
was
the
it actually?
upskilling session is after the session. I will just, I think बहुत queries आए हैं इस पे कि हम कैसे पढ़ाई शुरू करें. So I have made like
Yeah.
a document on, I've made like a document on what are the free resources, only free resources, because
हाँ
मैंने तो सब कुछ खुद से ही सीखा. I think I would say कि पेड कोर्सेज आप बाद में करिए, बहुत कुछ फ्री है. पहले पहले तो आप फ्री कर लीजिए, उसमें नहीं समझ आता है. So I've linked some
हाँ
YouTube channels and all, and everything is like non-sponsored.
Okay. So
I've
you'll send the link in that group again? Sorry.
Yeah, you can attend the session, and I will upload these recordings, and I will also in one blog only I'm uploading all the links, so you guys can
Acha.
save that, subscribe to that blog. Nothing paid.
No, I'll attend the next session. I'm like free today, so I'll
हाँ,
attend
so
it.
that is it. Like उसमें सब लोग बार बार I think ग्रुप में एक ही चीज बार बार डिस्कस हो रही है. So I want to just put an end to that. That paid courses for beginners, paid courses should be done when you have done all the relevant free courses. So quality relevant free courses I've compiled. I think for experienced people above the range of 10, I think you need to know what specific skill you want to, is lacking. I think most of it would be soft skills, not so much, because as I think one of you, Shivam, only mentioned, most interviewers, like when we are also hiring, is see at the end of the day, you can always hire cheap agencies to do your campaign execution. If you are looking for any salary above 15 lakhs, you need to exercise two things. One is articulation and storytelling, how good you are. Because at the most of the times you're convincing a finance team, you're convincing your marketing head, you're convincing other stakeholders in your ecosystem that why should we spend more, why are we doing what we are doing. They are interacting with you कि let's say मेरे को कैटेगरी का लॉन्च करना है. फ्लिपकार्ट की बात बताऊं तो जैसे हम ग्रोसरी लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, और आपको आपके साथ बहुत सारे सीनियर स्टेक होल्डर्स होते हैं और उनको जल्दी जल्दी रिजल्ट चाहिए, तो वहां पे आप उनसे सीपीएम की बात नहीं करोगे. अगर आप सीपीएम की बात करोगे तो आपको 10 लाख से ऊपर सैलरी नहीं मिलने वाली है. प्लीज अपने दिमाग से हटा दीजिए कि बहुत ही जितने भी यूट्यूबर्स या कोई भी ऐसा अगर झूठ झांसे में फैला रहा है ना कि बहुत लाखों की सैलरी मिलेगी जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ एड चलाने से, कभी नहीं मिलने वाली. You have to be a problem solver for the organization. You have to be somebody who can connect the dots between what kind of levers or channels I deploy to improve the business revenue. I think enough of my lecture, but please.
I just want to interrupt. Want to ask one more question. Actually, sometimes it happens that I have given interviews, one or two interviews or many. I don't get a revert from the HR feedback. So is it like, so if they said I'll give you revert till Tuesday evening, so I should call her or call him to just, or I shouldn't? That's the only.
No, so here I would say, जैसे ही आपका इंटरव्यू खत्म होता है, I think the first thing to do is, firstly, let's say within 5-10 minutes of the interview, you need to reach out to the hiring manager. अगर उसका email ID है आपके, invite में mostly होता ही है, ठीक है. So you always, I mean, this is something from my experience I'm sharing. Irrespective of interview कैसा गया, आधे घंटे 1 घंटे के अंदर simple, hi Shivani, I love speaking with you. These are the two things I liked while speaking to you during the interview. I am eager to work for this company because of one or two. ठीक है, simple 5 lines. And if you guys want, I can publish some templates which you guys can copy. We'll be more than happy to do that. And for HR, I would say, because HR is a facilitator, they are not a decision maker. तो HR की जो
Yes,
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है
definitely.
वो कंप्लीटली डिपेंडेंट है। HR ने ट्यूसडे बोला तो ट्यूसडे को उसको ईमेल कर दो, अगर वो आपसे व्हाट्सएप पे इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं तो व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज कर दो। बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स HR आपको घोस्ट कर देंगे अगर उनको आगे से रिस्पॉन्स नहीं मिले। अगर आप
हाँ
बार
ठीक
बार,
है।
देर हैज टू बी अ कैलकुलेटेड फ्रीक्वेंसी। इफ यू कीप ऑन रिपीटेडली बैजरिंग देम कि रिजल्ट बताओ रिजल्ट बताओ, तो इट बिकम्स, देर आर टू लॉसेज। वन, आपका नेगोशिएशन पावर खत्म हो जाता है, तो आप सैलरी नेगोशिएट नहीं कर पाओगे, क्योंकि हिंदी में उसको बोलते हैं, भोजपुरी में गर्ज दिखा रहे हो आप, गर्जू basically. So that means that you need to actually, my entire as a career coach, what I also teach my people and my specific team at Aju, you need to take back the power to yourself, not just in HR interviews, in your personal professional life. The more you own your outcomes, you will become a very different kind of human being. That is super important. Anybody else? I think just 2 minutes left. I will, how to get better at understanding business
Yes,
problems.
Shivani,
We'll do a
I
separate
I
session.
have a query.
Yes.
Actually, I am working in affiliate-based marketing, and I would like to upskill my current skills. But there is a one issue. Actually, I don't know what skill I should learn, and the main thing
We'll
is the
discuss in
skill.
the next session. In the next session, it's only about this discussion.
Okay.
I will send the link shortly, and it will be only questions on upskilling. We'll discuss that.
Yeah,
My Zoom session.
please.
Okay.
Ma'am, just
Okay,
a quick
okay.
question.
Yeah, Rabani has been. You go ahead, Rabani.
Yeah. So I understand your point of being very concise and everything. And I do that and I get an interview. If I get an interview, I'm really able to convince the people. Okay, but the problem with me is like I'm not able to find the right opportunities. Like where you were mentioning for the roles above beyond 10 lakh and all, right? So if you can guide us the specifics on how we approach finding the right opportunities,
See,
that'd be really helpful.
opportunities, I would say, market is super bad. Right now, there is people here would might be most experienced also, I would say. Generically, freshers की सैलरी आजकल 4 लाख 3 लाख ही है। फ्रेशर्स आई मीन 1 ईयर एक्सपीरियंस, 0 ईयर एक्सपीरियंस, ठीक है। फिर आपके एक्सपीरियंस अगर 2 साल से 10 साल तक है, तो उस बीच में मेजोरिटी लोगों की सैलरी अभी 10 लाख ही होगी, अनलेस यू आर सुपर गुड एट बिजनेस प्रॉब्लम्स एंड परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग लिंकेज, या फिर आपको मार्टेक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग आता हो। क्योंकि सी, हर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का स्ट्रक्चर अलग होगा। देयर विल बी सम ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस व्हिच विल हैव लार्ज टीम्स एंड 1 person per channel, बट देन देयर मार्केटिंग बजट्स हैव टू बी 100 crores और समथिंग लाइक दैट पर मंथ। जो गिनती की 10-15 कंपनीज, या चलो 100 कंपनीज होंगी इंडिया में, ज्यादा नहीं होंगी। सो ओवरऑल यू नीड टू नो, सी आई वुड से सैलरी का फोकस प्लीज हटा दीजिए। इफ यू फोकस ऑन सैलरी ना, यू विल जस्ट बी कंसिस्टेंटली डिप्रेस्ड कि मुझे पैसे नहीं मिल रहे। You need to focus on, am I doing the right process